Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at WazirX, accessible via the website https://wazirx.com. WazirX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform where users can buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital assets. It's important to do your own thorough research before engaging with any crypto platform and understand that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. This review is not financial advice, simply an overview of my own interactions with the WazirX platform. Navigating the WazirX website, you'll find information regarding the supported cryptocurrencies, trading fees, security measures, and other essential details. It's crucial to carefully examine these aspects to determine if WazirX aligns with your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate significantly, and there's always the potential for loss. WazirX also offers features like a mobile app for trading on the go, various order types for more control over your trades, and charting tools to help analyze market trends. These tools can be valuable resources, but it's crucial to learn how to use them effectively before making any investment decisions. Don't rely solely on platform tools, conduct your own independent research and analysis. Before committing any funds to WazirX, I highly recommend exploring user reviews and comparing it to other available cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Understanding the competitive landscape can provide valuable insights and help you make an informed decision. This video provides a starting point, but further investigation is always encouraged. Finally, always prioritize security. Implement strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Protecting your digital assets is paramount in the cryptocurrency space. Investing in crypto carries inherent risks, so proceed with caution and only invest what you can afford to lose. Be sure to stay up to date on the latest developments and news regarding WazirX and the broader cryptocurrency market.